Is making a chart a nightmare for you? It's not needed. I will show you a tweak that will make a chart from a spreadsheet in seconds. In front of us we see a table with daily profit data. The following action is sufficient to display a chart of the development of profitability in a given period. I select the days and profit as well as the column labels. The F11 key flows, and the chart is done. With this shortcut, the chart will be created on a new sheet, and now you can edit it in the standard way via top tabs. For example, on the Design tab, we can change chart type to line. The development of profit will be seen better. And maybe we can play with design and larger font. That's it, really fast. Give a like, subscribe, and see you next time.